Um, Hi guys. I do not know what those numbers are for, but this is something new. I'm doing audio today.
I don't know what these are for.
The numbers. Sorry. Um, yeah. Oh, that's kind of weird, but whatever. Well, today, guys, we are playing Tornado Alley 2. This called. We're doing audio now. I'm sorry if there's feedback. I'm still doing some stuff to this. Hey. Sorry if there's like whenever I say a B, there's like this, like but hey, like this, but hey, like but hey. Like if I'm doing that, that probably means I'm trying to do it like this.
Sprite or hi. This is a Halloween special.
Oh, that hurt. Because I might start doing a Plague Inc. Evolved. Like Jacksepticeye. But yeah, it's up to you guys what you want to see. So, I will have trivias. So, like, comment down. So, I'm going to do a new series. Comment down below if I should do more of these. If I should do more Minecraft or Animal Kingdom or just do Roblox. Personally, I want to do different games. Actually, no. Comment down below if you want me to do like Evolved, Animal Jam Nights. If you want me to play a game, Animal Jam, or more Minecraft next. Because I don't know if you want me to play. Sorry about this. We're just stealing. So I have a little friend. Where's my face? So, just there was a major typo. But this is new. Do you like this one? If you do, tell me down below. I don't want to do the stuff that you guys don't like. So if you want me to just do it silent, tell me down below. Like down in the comments. If I say down below, that means down in the comments. Or if you just want me to keep doing this audio, tell me. Thank you. And and I love that you found me worthy for just a subscribe button click. If we get to 100, we'll still vote. So what game do you want next? Animal Jam, Plague Inc. or more Minecraft? I will do Roblox as my main, but what about But still very surprised. Thank you all for this. You made my dream come true. You guys, I love you guys as well. I still have a bit of time left for this. So, if you do hear barking, that is my dog. Yeah, my family decided to get a dog. We've had him for a while. His name is Oscar. But my family decided to get a dog and place him right next to where I record. If to me it's just a terrible idea. Like, I'm doing commentary and then people just hear it's barking and they're like, what's going on? It's just stupid. Let's just stay in this corner. People.